The Acer Predator GX21-71-72W6 is a high-performance gaming laptop that is packed with powerful components and impressive features. Here is a detailed review of its specification and performance. It is equipped with an Intel Core i7-7820HK quad-core processor, which is capable of handling demanding tasks and provide excellent gaming performance. The laptop boasts an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1083 16GB graphics card, delivering great visual and smooth gameplay for even the most demanding game. The GX21-71-72W6 features a 21-inch IPS display with a 2560 by 1080 resolution, providing a wide viewing angle and vibrant colors. It comes with 64 GB of DDR4 2400 MHz RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and smooth performance with short intensive application. The laptop offers a combination of a 1TB SSD M.2 and a 1TB HDD, providing ample storage space for game, file, and application. It includes various port and connectivity options like USB 3.0, HDMI, DisplayPort, Ethernet, and Thunderbolt 3, allowing you to connect multiple peripherals and accessories. The Acer Predator GX21-71-72W6 delivers exceptional performance, thanks to its powerful hardware configuration. With its high-end components, it can handle even the most demanding game and resource-intensive tasks without any lag or slowdown. The NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 graphics card ensures smooth gameplay with impressive visuals, while the light amount of RAM allows for seamless multitasking and efficient workflow. The laptop design is bold and aggressive, characteristic of the Acer Predator series. The build quality is solid and the material used feels premium. With a 21-inch display, it is relatively large, which offers an immersive gaming experience. However, it may be less portable than smaller laptops due to its size and weight. The Acer Predator GX21-71-72W6 is equipped with superior cooling technology, featuring multiple cooling fans and heat pipes to ensure efficient heat dissipation during intense gaming sessions. This helps prevent overheating and ensure steady performance even during extended periods of use. Overall, the Acer Predator GX21-71-72W6 is an impressive gaming laptop that offers top-notch performance and a visually immersive experience. While it may have a larger size and weight, it compensates with a powerful specification and excellent cooling capability. If you are a gamer or content creator looking for a high-performance laptop, this model is worth considering.
Ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing.